BD-901 Pro Pressing Cable Machine. First, turn on the heat switch. Adjust the LCD station pressure to the appropriate size. Adjust the LCD voltage time. Turn on the lights. Tear off the ACF adhesive release film. Align the cable with the screen manually. After the alignment is complete, preload the cable. Confirm the position of the tool head. Put the screen into the LCD pressure station. Adjust the limit baffle. Put in silicone skin. Press the auto start button. Wait until the compression is complete. Then put in touch pressure station. Adjust the touch station pressure to the appropriate size. Adjust the touch pressure time. Put in silicone skin. Press the auto start button. Wait until the compression is complete. Take out the screen and test perfect.